Alright guys, this isn't going to be the most exciting video. I mean, it's mainly a test video is what it is, which is merging this iPhone 14, which I'm using to film now, with this Canon HD camcorder. This camcorder, I bought it back in October 2014, so it's 8 years old, but still works good for the most part. And guess I've been wondering, whether here in 2022, whether I should just still stick with this camcorder for doing my, main outing videos, or should I just do all videos with my phone? Of course, I was wondering if I could, zoom in on images with my phone, and sure enough, I can. Camcorder may just take a tad bit better quality videos. I don't know. But here's a camcorder here, and go ahead and open it up. Yes, and of course has this lens cover here to help keep the lens clean. And here's just the information there. Okay, now, of course, it has on and off switch, and this, well, it's actually this button you have to push to record, and there's a lithium battery in back. No, actually this is right here is a button to actually, display the videos I recorded, and this right here is the actual record button. And since I was wondering whether or not I should still be using a camcorder in 2022, since I got this, a very majestic iPhone 14. I watched a video of this guy that still uses a camcorder in 2022 as well. And, of course, and he's saying, he still feels the need, for a camcorder for nostalgic purposes, which I can relate, but so anyway, here, let's zoom in on some things. Let's zoom in on my Hunter. There we go. Yes, there's my Hunter fan. There's me with my dogs, and yeah. I'm just basically testing out the zoom feature to my phone here. Here, let's go out to my porch. Okay, here we are. Look at the view from my iPhone 14, and zoom in 2x. Now a total of 3. You can see the cell phone tower in the distance better, but thinking my camcorder has maybe a bit better zoom than this phone here. Now we'll zoom it all the way back to 1. Back to my yard. What? One advantage of having that camcorder right now is I got this tripod right here. I can, like, set, that camcorder up on this tripod if I want to, like, video myself, from a distance with the camcorder and all that stuff, or video whatever. If I don't, if it's not handy for me to, keep the camcorder in my hands, and just don't want to spend the extra money right now on some kind of prop to, like, set my phone up if I want to, like, video something without me holding my phone. Now on to videoing with this camcorder. Okay, got the camcorder in my hands, and first off, here's my MacBook Pro with my YouTube channel pulled up. And pull up Movie Maker there. Well, there we go. And of course, that's the Movie Maker feature I'm going to be using in just a minute to merge the iPhone 14 videos along with the camcorder videos all into one video. And let's check out how well, you definitely have better zoom on this camcorder here. Go ahead and set this camcorder on the tripod here now. Now that I'm using my camcorder, I can actually show you all my iPhone 14 here. Here's it opened up, and this phone is 99.9% touchscreen. You only have, like, 2 buttons here for the volume control, and another button right there, which is the on and off switch. But mostly it's, well, if I can see, well, got the internet up, and well, just, well, here's the other page to it, and yeah. So anyway, let's see here. Of course, oh, I'm on the iMovie Maker right here. You can just, well, and if you want to make more than one video with this iPhone 14 here, you can actually use a Movie Maker, features to this phone to, like, merge all your cell phone features, which is nice. And here's all the apps I just opened up. So I'm loving this iPhone 14 right here. I mean, so far, very much convenient, and I can basically do anything that I want to with it. Now let's go out to my porch and test the video quality with a camcorder on my porch. First of all, check out Tonto resting in our dining room. Probably still resting up from our Tennessee Riverwalk hike yesterday. Can you say hi to the camcorder? I think he's just in pure resting mode for the time being. First off, a squirrel on my porch. Wildlife opportunity right here at my doorstep. Oh man, that squirrel's ran off. But here's the view outside my house with my camcorder, and go ahead and zoom in some and maybe focus on that cell phone tower. If I can zoom in far enough without getting shaky. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Zoom back a little bit. Sorry, I'm not used to using zoom this much on the camcorder. There we go, and cell phone tower zoomed in several times closer. Well, in conclusion, I had maybe a bit of trouble, well, keeping this camcorder well stabilized when I was trying to really zoom in on that, cell phone tower. But I mean, actually, the zoom feature on this camcorder here takes some, getting used to if you really want to get into definition of it and all that stuff. But in a sense, I mean, it's handy to, have my iPhone 14 with me and use the built-in camcorder to it. Especially if I don't have my camcorder on me, but but whenever I'm taking trips and I know I'm gonna be taking videos, and I'm thinking along the lines of HD videos, I still use this camcorder and all that stuff. And I like that I already have a tripod for this camcorder. Well, since I don't want to spend the money on something to prop up this, phone here as described. But anyway, I still think, in some ways, maybe this 2014 camcorder may still be somewhat better for, intended video purposes. Y'all may think different, but that's still along my lines of thinking. But you always feel free to, leave your, opinions below, and, just, I'll take into consideration any ideas, and have a good day.